SAP Migration. An SAP migration can be initiated for several reasons. For example, if you would like to migrate your data to SAP from another ERP system, or with the merger or acquisition of a company, you would like to consolidate the data into your own SAP environment. Other multinational companies work with a separate SAP instance in each country or region and would like to merge these systems into one global system. All of these are valid reasons for why you would like to migrate your data into or out of SAP. A migration that involves SAP usually consists of two stages, namely, setting up and configuring the SAP environment and migrating the data. SIMT is able to help you with both these stages, or only one of them. The key to a successful SAP migration is that there is enough alignment between the party that does the SAP configuration and the party that does the data migration. Only then can you be sure that the data will end up at the right place. From our experience, we know that not everybody is aware that ETL toolsets, which are often already being used at a company, can be leveraged to perform a data migration or consolidation. SIMT, for example, is a partner of Talend and uses this platform to perform data migrations to SAP or other systems. SIMT has ample experience with data integration and data migration projects in combination with SAP, and has refined the procedure for such projects into a migration factory, which consists of the following steps. 1. Blueprint. 2. Realization. 3. Test acceptance. 4. Cutover, go live. 1. Blueprint. Intake. First, we discuss the requirements of your new environment and the architecture of the existing environment. In this phase, we discuss a rough planning for the project and decide which departments need to be involved at which point in time. We also carry out a fit gap analysis to make sure we didn't overlook any data group. Inventory. With this step, we take a deep dive into the data. We list all the fields that need to be migrated to the new environment and make a mapping to the fields in the old environment so we know exactly where we need to take the data from. We don't decide this ourselves, but communicate this with the subject matter experts in your organization because they know the data and the business rules best. For any SAP migration, the devil is in the detail. The more is known about the configuration, the more accurate the business rule, mapping, transformation becomes. Realization. Development. After the mappings have been specified, we start developing the ETL processes that are needed for the migration of your data. During this step, we implement our SIMT framework for monitoring to be able to monitor exactly how much data we process in every step during the go live. This way, we make sure we migrate all the data we need to. Data quality. A migration is a good opportunity to analyze the quality of your data and, where needed, to improve it. Talend has excellent functionalities to facilitate this. For example, customers may be registered multiple times, or some materials might be duplicated. We can implement some steps in the ETL process to automatically recognize potentially incorrect data and present it to your employees to be verified. This is called data stewardship. In this way, you can be sure that your new ERP system will contain data of outstanding quality. Test acceptance. During the development of the process, the ETL jobs will be tested and the results will be verified. We will not do a final migration directly, but will take enough time to test several iterations to make sure that the correct data will end up at the correct location. Also, we will perform end-to-end testing to make sure all dependent data is migrated. Cutover, go live. Go live. When you are satisfied with the test results, we can do the actual migration. The existing system will be locked so no new modifications can be made, and the data will be migrated to the new SAP environment. During the migration, we will use our SIMT framework for monitoring to register which data and how much data is migrated. This way, we can be 100% sure we have migrated all data, and your financial controllers can easily verify we didn't forget a single record or invoice. Post go live. After the migration of your data, we are not quite finished. SIMT prefers to do some aftercare to dot the I's and cross the T's, and to help you in case there are any further questions. If you are considering migrating your data to SAP or to any other system, then we would like to hear from you.